This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Blue Horizon Group. Less than bedroom, greater than Margaret and Dave. Shinnebarger. January available for $3,000 plus tax and cleaning fee. Oceanfront. Monthly or weekly available now. 1 bedroom/1 bath. December and January rental available. Nicely furnished, overlooking the beach and the pool. Fully supplied including linens, towels, dishes, pots and pans and more.Comes with 1 parking spot and garage. Heated pool and grilling area. Located on Hutchinson Island in Stuart, Florida. Close to downtown Stuart and Jensen Beach. Weekly rates are $1,500 per week plus tax and cleaning. Welcome to Blue Horizons. For more information, review the details below or contact Blue Horizon Group. Less than bedroom, greater than Margaret and Dave. Shinnebarger at 772-214-7910.